Hello everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to click on a button using the action class in Selenium without directly interaction with the element. This method is useful when the usual element locator do not work or when we want to simulate more advanced interaction. I will show you step by step how to set up the action class and perform the click action. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the handling multi-select drop-down. So let's begin. This is the login page. After enter the username and password, you need to click on the submit button. One method is you can locate this element by different locators. If I right click on this submit button, inspect, here locator is available, which is submit. In this tutorial, I will show you how to click on this submit button by using action class. Open PyCharm and import the action class from Selenium WebDriver, import action chains and then keys. Click on this keys. Now create the object for action class. Action is equal to action chains and then drive it. Here first thing we need to do here, after enter the password, we need to press the tab key. After tab key, click on the enter key by using action class. So use here action dot send case dot tab. After tab, press the enter key, action dot send keys and then click on enter and then perform this action dot perform. Let's run this script. First navigate to this URL and enter the username and password and then click submit button. Let's add some weight here. After click on the after this perform action, time dot select 5 seconds. Let's again run this script. First open Chrome browser, enter the username and password and then click the submit button. Login successfully. Action class in Selenium is a tool used to handle advanced user interactions such as mouse events, click, drag and drop, and keyboard actions. It allows us to perform complex actions like hovering, right click, and even clicking without directly interaction with an element. Make it helpful in situations where traditional methods do not work. That is for today's tutorial. I hope this method help you handle similar challenges in your automation project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SK World for more automation tutorials.